scan every asset in a room within less than a minute. Cynch gives you a lightning-fast solution for you and your technicians. Instead of scanning every asset's bar or QR codes, we use an innovative technology in our tags, adding an RFID chip to every one of them. We take advantage of this innovative way to speed data acquisition from devices. That way your technicians can go to a hospital room, for example, and use a RFID scanner to quickly identify which equipment requires maintenance. Every RFID tag comes with a unique identification number, similar to a serial number or a digital fingerprint. Implementing Cynch RFID technology across all your company's assets will significantly increase procedural speed while reducing the effort and cost associated with maintaining proper organization and functionality. Want to talk? Contact us. We'll be happy to give you a demo. Happy selling!